Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain to you how to bypass the TikTok ban in the USA and use TikTok normally. As you know, TikTok has been banned today in the USA and the app has been removed from Apple's App Store and Google Play. Even if you have the application installed on your phone, you'll see this error message which informs you that the application is unavailable and that President Trump should work his magic to reinstate TikTok once he takes office. Since we don't know when that will happen, the only solution to unblock and access TikTok in the USA is by using a VPN. We recommend ExpressVPN since it's fairly simple to use and above all works incredibly well for unblocking TikTok in the United States. ExpressVPN offers servers in more than 100 countries, unlimited bandwidth and applications for all devices such as computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones and even smart TVs, making it pretty popular in this country. Using the link in the description below, you can save a whopping 61% thanks to 4 free months on ExpressVPN. You'll also enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee, which allows you to test the VPN for 30 days, see if you like it, and be refunded if you're unimpressed. Let's see how to use ExpressVPN to access TikTok in the US and sidestep the ban. For the sake of simplicity, I will use my Windows computer, but since ExpressVPN works on all systems, including macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android, you can use the same trick to bypass the US TikTok ban. Simply open ExpressVPN, go to the server list, and connect to the server outside the USA. I'll open Europe and connect to, let's say, the United Kingdom by double-clicking on it. You can do the same on your phone by simply tapping once on the desired country. With the new IP address in place, I will refresh the page. And as you can see, TikTok now works without issues. The same goes for mobile devices. The screenshot on the right proves that I managed to unblock TikTok with ExpressVPN without issues. So the solution I explained is very simple. A reputable VPN service like ExpressVPN is all you need to bypass the US TikTok ban in seconds. As mentioned earlier, ExpressVPN offers a handy 61% discount thanks to 4 free months, which lets you drop the price to roughly $5 a month. You can claim the discount in the description below and regain access to your TikTok account in the United States. Go ahead and try the workaround I presented. I'm confident you'll be more than satisfied.